Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Roborock Q7 Max Plus robot vacuum and mop with Auto Empty Dock Pure. This innovative cleaning powerhouse offers hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks, thanks to its 2.5-liter dust bag that automatically empties the robot after each cleanup. With a powerful 4,200 pascals suction, it effortlessly lifts debris and pet hair from floors and carpets, while its twin cleaning power vacuums and mops simultaneously for a deeper clean. The PreciSense LiDAR Navigation system creates precise maps of your home, unlocking a range of smart cleaning functions that can be viewed in 3D, and the combined dustbin and water tank allow for extended cleaning without frequent emptying or refilling. Equipped with an upgraded all-rubber brush system, it resists hair tangles and stays close to the floor, making it perfect for homes with pets and uneven surfaces. Plus, with a supersized battery, the Q7 Max Plus offers up to 180 minutes of runtime, covering a maximum vacuuming range of 3,229 square feet, and it seamlessly integrates with Alexa for voice-controlled convenience. So, if you're looking for a smarter, more efficient way to keep your home spotless, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is your ultimate cleaning companion.